Yang rasanya yang suling lagi tu, yang dia menang. Suling menang something and dapat kat kita. Thank you Suling. Wow. Pelik ya, pasal datang pukul 4. Oh, o'clock. Yeah. Bluetooth wireless. Sony. Sana dia Humaira binti Lokman. Sony Mobile My Christmas Giveaway Online 28 December. We are pleased to inform you that you have been nominated by Lo Siu Ling as his or her chosen recipient for the Sony Mobile Malaysia Christmas Giveaway Online. So congratulations, both of you have won yourself a Sony Bluetooth speaker SRS PTV5 worth to 300 ringgit. Okay, there's a special message from Suling. Hey Banana, when I saw this contest, I straight away thought of you. You are my special umbrella who covers me from rain and extreme UV light. I really want to thank you for everything. Pray that our friendship will last till the end of time. Lots of love from your twin Banana, Lo Siu Ling. Thank you! Oh yeah. Now to take photograph and we have the video, right? You see me? No, right? Don't see me. Just my hands and stuff is showing. I was listening to music. I love doing that. Okay. Tak nampak, gelap. You see them? So I don't know how to use it, but it's not that big. It's small, this small thing. So yeah, thank you Suling and thank you Sony.